In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your email address to Gmail's address book. Let's jump right in and make sure you're all set up to seamlessly manage your contacts with ease. First, you'll want to sign into your Gmail account. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to www.gmail.com. Once you're there, enter your credentials, your email address and password, and press enter. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your Gmail inbox page, a familiar site for staying connected with your emails. Now, in the top right-hand corner, look for the small icon made of 9 dots, often referred to as the Google Apps menu. This is your gateway to a treasure trove of integrated Google services. Click on it, and you'll see a cascading menu of colorful icons representing various Google applications. Here, you'll want to select Contacts. Don't worry if you don't see it at first glance, you might need to scroll down a bit to find it. With the Contacts page open, take a moment to appreciate this well-organized digital Rolodex, which can hold all your acquaintances' details. Here, you can create new contacts or simply manage the existing ones. To add your email address, look towards the left sidebar. You should see a Create Contact button, which sometimes has a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and give it a click. A new window will pop up, giving you the option to input details for your new contact. At the very top, you'll see fields to enter the contact's name. Since you're adding your own email address, feel free to type your name here. Now, proceed to the email field. This is where you'll enter your email address that you wish to save. Remember, adding a descriptive label to your email, like work or personal, can help in keeping your contacts more organized in the long run. After entering these details, take a moment to explore some of the additional fields that you can fill out. These might include phone numbers, physical addresses, and even notes. While they are not necessary for this quick setup, they can be incredibly useful if you want a more detailed contact card. Once you have everything entered, glance over the information to ensure accuracy. Satisfied? Great! Hit the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the window. And there you have it, your personal email address is now safely stored in Gmail's address book, accessible whenever you need it. You've taken a simple yet important step in managing your communication more efficiently. Remember, by keeping your contact details updated, you make it easier to network and stay connected. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing!